Dad, you don't know how it dings?
How?
You press this button, it dings.
Wow.
Has some battery in. Welcome back to Yellow Party Road. Look how this dings. Then we press it down. Then we press it down and this moves it dings. Okay, let's take our cake out of the oven. Look at our cake. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, let's take it out. Good. Okay, yeah. Daddy, you don't know where I get the green?
No, where did you get it?
I mixed these two colors out. There you go, this cake. This one's smaller than this one. Let's make it either bigger. Let's make it bigger. It's like a sandwich cake.
So what's that cake for? What's that cake for, baby?
For you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Just make the frosting.
Can you show your drawing too later?
Yes. I only have a top today, but where's the other piece?
Find it, baby.
Where? Jen, you find it for me, though.
You ask him.
Really pretty. Look. Shotgun. Just a shotgun. But it's not the shooter. We need a flashlight, Dad. We need a flashlight. Then that don't work.
He's gonna put batteries in it.
Did you find that battery for us? Look that there's different plates. A star and a flower. Let's use a flower today. Ah! Dad, this is the piece of the castle. You're right, Dad. What's that? It's a train.
It's a dog. Sounds like a dog. Here.
Roughing it. I see it. I see that.
The dog is pooing. I can see it.
Me too. Yeah.
Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up.
See? Can I see? I can see it. Ooh.
You saw it, right?
Dad, now can I see it in the camera?
Oh no, it doesn't have a screen. Look.
Oh. But we need for the computer first.
Okay, what do you have there? What did you draw?
Present. But we turn it around, it's a diamond. Whoa, you see that? A diamond. Diamond! But you turn it to the side, it's a square. I would go to like a triangle. But we cut out this piece. Triangle.
You're funny, Ron.
When you got my cake, Dad?
Yeah.
Cool, right, Dad?
Yes, it is cool.
Excuse me, I made this. That's funny. Make it a bit blue and need some green in it. I want some yellow in it. Ooh. Thanks, Dad. Dad, I'm
On your crayon? That's it. It's working then. Good job for getting the batteries. Okay, Ron, you need a change.
Dad! Wow. Look at that. This is fun. Okay. Ta-da! Hey, I'm gonna use some more Play-Doh. Strawberry. First I mix this juicy. Has some any red here? Dada, can you buy some red for me?
I will, baby.
I need some red so I can make a strawberry.
Okay.
Let's make a blue strawberry. Ooh. Yum. Dad, want to see?
Yes. Perfect.
Here's a perfect strawberry, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's make some more strawberries. Okay, take some green. Okay, put it in the mold. Take some blue. Take it out.
Perfect.
So perfect. That one.
We gotta go, guys. Let's go. Be back. Okay?
Okay.
We have to go drop them then.